In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image from Google Drive to a Wufoo form. Whether you're customizing a form for your business or personal use, including images can enhance the clarity and appeal of your forms. So let's walk through the steps to make this process as smooth as possible. Firstly, you want to ensure that your image is easily accessible. Start by opening Google Drive and locating the image you'd like to add to your Wufoo form. It's important to make sure that the image file is accessible in Drive because this is where we'll be pulling the image from. When you've found your image, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Once the image is open, look for the three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on this and choose Open in New Window. This generates an isolated view of your image, which is crucial for our next step. Now that your image is open in a new window, once again, you'll want to click on the three vertical dots. This time, select the Embed Item option from the drop-down. Once you click this, Google Drive will provide you with an embed code. Think of this code like a bridge. It's how your image will travel from Google Drive to your Wufoo form. Go ahead and copy this code because you're going to need it shortly. Next, let's focus on inserting this image into your Wufoo form. First, you'll need to log in to your Wufoo account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Form Manager. This is essentially the hub from where you can manage all your forms. Locate the form that you wish to edit. Remember that this is the form on which you'd like the image to appear, so double-check to ensure you're choosing the right one. With your form chosen, it's time to decide where you'd like the image to appear. Within the Form Builder, add a section break field to the spot where you want the image to be visible. This section break is going to act as a placeholder for your image, providing a spot in your form where it can be displayed. Once you have the section break field in place, look for the content area within that field. In this section break field's content area is where the magic happens. Here, you'll paste the embed code you previously copied from Google Drive. Double-check the code to make sure you pasted it correctly. It's always a good idea to ensure there aren't any extra characters or errors, as these can interfere with how the image displays. Finally, it's time to save your form. By saving your changes, you're ensuring that your newly embedded image is locked into place, ready to impress anyone filling out your form. And that's it. Now you have successfully added an image from Google Drive to your Wufoo form. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope your forms turn out beautifully.